Most people think you need thousands of dollars to even think about building your wealth. Wrong. I've been investing for more than 20 years. And after crunching nearly 30 years of data, I've discovered a financial snowball effect that uses $100 repeated once a month to create a life-changing fortune. If you skip this step, you're not only losing on money, you're losing on time. Time you can never get back. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this exact 3 steps to put your wealth building on automation using only $100. And stick around till the end because we're going to talk about strategies to increase this even further. Let's find out. Before the how, we must understand the why. I spent analyzing 30 years of market data and came to this conclusion. There is a silent thief coming in every night and stealing our money from our banks. Inflation, the force that eats away our savings. But here's the good part. We do have two best friends, compound interest and time. Think of it like a snowball going down the hill. As it compounds more snow, it becomes bigger and faster. The same thing happens to our wealth. There is a mathematical cheat code here, the rule of 72. So if you have a 10% return on your investments, your money doubles every 7 years. This means nothing right now. But if you give it time, over 14, 28 years, the money becomes 8 times. This is why starting with $100 is more important than you think. If you wait for 5 years, it becomes nearly 70% more just to catch up. You wait for 10 years and you have to triple the amount for the same result. Remember, the real cost is not just the time, but it's about losing your momentum. Now, to further go down this path of implementing it right away, let's focus on the what. So where does this $100 actually go? Well, most of the people sadly put their money into meme stocks chasing trends. But the 1% of investors who are serious and long-term gainers, they actually have a secret basket. Something that has outlasted most of the recessions in the US history. The S&P 500. It's an index showing the US market, which consists of 500 top performing companies. And you can own that S&P 500 through the ETF. In fact, even if you have a $10, you can buy a $10 slice of that ETF, which means you own a slice of all these companies. The other benefit is most of these companies have an international exposure. Nearly 20% are the gains from international markets, which means there is stability, diversification, everything under one roof. You don't need to check the markets. You don't need to worry. If a company goes bad, it's automatically removed from the S&P 500. And if a company starts performing very nicely, it starts being put into the S&P 500. All you need to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy your returns. Oh, to search for it, you look for symbols for the S&P 500, which is VOO, SPY, and others. Check out the next section for more details about that. Now for the part that blew my mind. I crunched up the numbers for more than 30 years. The S&P 500 is typically 10% a year. The interesting thing is, if you started with that $100 a month, these are the crazy numbers of what you get over 10, 20, 30 years. Now, that $200,000 has $163,000 of pure profit. Imagine the return on your investment. But what is the number one mistake people make? It's not about the wrong investments alone. It's about waiting for that perfect time, that perfect stock, the perfect amount. Remember, the perfect time is right here, right now. Just move that $100 into the S&P 500 on automation and then watch the show. Just keep at it, be patient, and I'll see you on the other side.